Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shwakat Ali with another video of Android development. So in this video we will complete our send friend request and accept friend request. So in the previous video we have set click listener on this button. As you can see here, when I click on this button, here you can see it send the request and also store the data on the Firebase database. So if I go back to second activity and open again, here you can see this send request button is again appeared. So we have to fix that. Here first we need to check from the Firebase database either we have already sent friend request or we are friend to each other. Then we have to update the current state. So here we will create another method, check user existence, and in this method we will pass our user id. So here we will pass user id and create this method. Here press alt enter, and here we will use friend reference to check either we are already friends or not. So we will use friend reference dot child, and here we will pass first my user id m user dot get uid. This is our current user id dot child, and this is other user id that we are receiving by this method user id dot add value event listener, new value event listener. Okay, here we will check if data snapshot is exists. So snapshot dot exist mean we are already friends. If data is available in our Firebase, then it's mean we are already friend. Then we have to change our state. So here we will change our state, current state equal to friends. Okay, now change btn perform dot set text, and here we will change text send message, or you can change it send message or whatever you want to change. And second is btn decline dot set text, and here we will pass unfriend. Okay, now btn decline dot set visibility, and here we will change it into visible. Okay, now we will use same reference. Here we will check friend reference dot child, and here we will use first other user id. So user id dot child, and this time my user id m user dot get uid dot add value event listener, new value event listener. Okay, again we will copy few codes. Again we are friends, so again I will paste this code here. If data snapshot, sorry, it's snapshot dot exist, and here we will paste that code. These two method only shows that we are already friend. According to these conditions we have to change our current state, and also we have changed the text on the buttons. Okay, now we will use request reference dot child, and here we will pass m user dot get uid dot child, and here we will pass m user id, sorry, it's user id dot add value event listener, new value event listener. It's mean that we have already sent friend request to other user. So here we will check if snapshot exists. If I sent request to other user, then what we have to do? And here we will check if snapshot dot child, and here we will pass status. We have to check status dot get value dot toString dot equal, and here we will pass if it's pending. Then what we have to do, we have to change the current state. The current state is I sent and it's pending. Okay, now btn perform dot set text, and here we have to change our text. We can cancel friend request. Okay, now btn client dot set visibility. In this case we have to hide the button. Okay, now if we will copy this code and just paste it here. Okay, now if it's decline, then what we have to do, we have to change it into decline. Okay, now also we can cancel friend request. Okay, now we will check the third conditions, request reference dot child, and here we will pass other user id dot child, and here we will pass my user id m user dot get uid dot add value event listener new value event listener. After completing the code, I will explain little bit more. If data snapshot dot sorry it's data snapshot dot exist, then what we have to do, we have to check it again. If snapshot dot child, and here we will pass status and it's pending dot get value dot equal not equal to string dot equal, and here we will pass if it's pending. Then what we have to do now, this time I used first other user id, you can see here. Now it's mean he sent me request, so this is for he sent me request. Okay, now here we have to change the current state equal to he sent, and sorry he sent and it's pending. Okay, now we will change the text into btn perform dot set text. Here we will change it into accept friend request, and other one btn decline dot set text, and here we can decline friend request. Okay, now finally we have to visible this button btn decline dot set visibility visible. Okay, now here we have final condition. If current state dot equal and nothing happen, and we have to just update the current state. So here we will change our current state equal to nothing happen. Okay, now btn perform dot set text, and here we will pass send friend request, and btn decline dot set visibility, and here we have to change it into gone. Okay, let's run the application first. Okay, I have run the application on both devices. This is Andy user and this is roaming. So let's open find friend, and here I will open Andy, and here we will send friend request. Now here you can see as I open the application find friend, here you can see our second button is gone. So let's click on this button send friend request, and here you can see we have received the friend request. So let's go back and again open this user. Here you can see our current state is saved. So let's open here find friend request and open our roaming, and here you can see we have accept friend request and decline friend request. So let's click on this accept friend request, and here you can see here we have friends. You can see here we have data inside these friends. So here you can see we have send SMS and unfriend, and inside this other device you can see here send SMS and unfriend. So now here we have problem. Here we have to remove this friend request. I don't know why it's not deleted, so I will check in the code. So in the code here you can see here is he sent and pending. So here we have problem. Here we have to add first other user id, so user id, and here we will pass m user dot get uid. So our problem is fixed now. So it will delete the friend request and add to our friend list. So in this way we can send friend request. So in the next video we will perform our second button decline friend request. So if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care.